Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today I'm sharing these hibiscus. I've made a previous video. These are the ones that I shared with you before. I will leave a link to that video here so you can check it out. But after watching another YouTuber's video, I believe her name is Tammy. I'm not sure, but I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. I saved her video so that I could give her credit and share it with you. She used a, so this is the die that I am talking about. It is a Spellbinders die called Hibiscus. I believe it was out a while ago, 2021. There's the item number, S41159, and then she used, I don't know if she used this, but this is what I have. I have this Flower Shaping Essentials, and it comes with this mat and the tool with 3 different attachments. So I used that after following her, after seeing her video, and these are the newer ones I got. I don't know, you can see the dimension in the leaves of the flower, the impressions, and that's the difference. And then you can see it in the leaves as well as the flower petals. But yeah, and then I added some of this pink and mane flock with glitter sparkling chickadee. I got like a package of 20 of them for maybe 20 bucks. They were like clearance at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo in one of the booths. So I added some of that on the stamina. You know what the hell that is. That thing in the middle. Let's get see if we can focus in on it. If you can even tell. I just dipped it in some glue and then dipped it into this container, and whatever stuck, whatever didn't. But yeah, so that is the flower. So just a really quick share and a little update that maybe somebody has a better way of doing it. Maybe if you are looking for inspiration, you know, whatever die you're working with or stamp set, you can Google it and find other YouTubers that have posted some crafty ideas. I love it. So thank you so much. Like I said, I'll put her link in the description box below. So if you are looking for how she did this, you can go check her out. There's other people on the YT that do it too, but I liked hers. So anyway. having a crafty day, and I hope you guys found this inspirational. I know some of you are flooded out there in California, my West Coast neighbors, and I think we're about to get some rain here too, so that's exciting. We like rain, but I don't think as much as you guys have gotten there in California. So stay dry, stay warm wherever you are, and yeah, for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!